Every bottle of perfume begins far from luxury, with raw flowers, natural oils, and a hidden industrial process few people ever see. Inside this factory, chemistry, precision, and machines transform raw nature into luxury fragrance.
Every luxury fragrance begins here. Fresh roses and jasmine arrive at the perfume factory, carrying natural oils that will soon define the scent's identity. Each flower is carefully inspected. Only petals with perfect aroma and freshness move forward into perfume production. The flowers are gently washed to remove dust and impurities, preserving their delicate aromatic compounds. Once cleaned, the petals travel deeper into the factory, heading toward extraction. These distillation tanks are the heart of fragrance chemistry, where heat and steam unlock natural oils. Petals are sealed inside the chambers, preparing them for controlled extraction. Steam flows through the flowers, carrying aromatic molecules upward without burning them. As vapor cools, it condenses back into liquid, now infused with fragrance. Oil and water naturally separate, revealing pure essential oil for the first time. Drop by drop, concentrated aroma is collected powerful, pure, and rare. These oils are sealed and stored, protected from light and temperature changes. Natural oils are paired with refined aromatic compounds to create balance and longevity. Perfume formulation demands absolute precision. Even a gram can change the scent. Ingredients are combined to form the fragrance's signature character. Large mixers ensure consistency across thousands of bottles. The fragrance rests and matures, allowing notes to harmonize over time. Filtration removes impurities, refining clarity and stability.
The perfume now flows clear and balanced, ready for final evaluation.
Every batch is inspected to ensure it matches the original formula.
The fragrance is complete, USMAs, prepared for bottling and transformation into a luxury product. The final stage begins as empty glass bottles arrive on the bottling line, perfectly aligned and ready for filling. High-pressure air removes microscopic dust, ensuring absolute purity before filling.
Precision filling systems align perfectly, calibrated to deliver identical volumes. The finished fragrance flows smoothly into each bottle, measured drop by drop. Filled bottles move forward in perfect rhythm, carrying the final scent.
Caps are automatically sorted and guided toward the sealing station.
Sensors inspect every bottle, confirming fill level and leak-free sealing. Robotic arms place each cap with controlled pressure and accuracy.
Crimping machines lock the fragrance safely inside the bottle. Sealed bottles now move toward branding and identification. Each label is applied with millimeter accuracy.
Batch codes ensure traceability across the supply chain.
Now fully branded, the bottles reveal their final identity. Retail cartons are formed to protect each bottle.
Robotic systems insert bottles with speed and precision.
Printed labels unwind smoothly, synchronized with the production speed. Boxes are sealed securely for transport.
Automated cameras inspect packaging accuracy. Individual boxes are grouped for bulk handling.
Finished boxes flow steadily toward inspection.
Shipping cartons are sealed for long-distance transport.
Barcodes enable global tracking and inventory control.
Cartons move toward the final automation stage.
Robots stack cartons with perfect alignment.
Protective wrapping stabilizes the load.
Each pallet is verified before storage.
Automated vehicles transport pallets through the warehouse.
Finished products rest in organized storage.
Digital systems track inventory in real time.
Orders are prepared for shipment.
Dock doors open as distribution begins.
Pallets are loaded with care and precision.
Cargo is secured for safe transport.
With loading complete, operations wind down. From raw flowers to finished fragrance, the perfume is now ready for the world.